The strange case of Hurricane Hilary will become classic textbook material for perhaps decades to come. Hilary, the first tropical cyclone since 1939 to move into Southern California at tropical storm strength. A very unusual, certainly for August, upper air pattern helped steer Hilary on its way to becoming a very rare inland tropical storm in the western U.S. Here's the pressure pattern up around 20,000 feet last Saturday morning, an anomalously deep dip in the flow just off the California coast, while over the central U.S., a highly anomalous northward bulge, a ridge, essentially the heat dome making news this week. Now, at this altitude, winds tend to follow these pressure lines, in this case, creating an almost due southerly flow into Southern California. By Sunday morning, the large-scale pattern was unchanged as Hilary entered the picture near Baja, California, in a very favorable place to be steered northward between these two upper air features. So that by Monday morning, the circulation center was in central Nevada, by then just a depression, but still producing tropical downpours. Those heavy rains led to widespread mudslides and debris flows, particularly in mountainous and desert areas, overwhelming roadways and emergency crews. Cars and trucks overtaken and then abandoned in mud flows was a common scene, particularly in counties east and north of Los Angeles, though the city was not spared. Here, floodwaters inundate the entertainment destination of Melrose Avenue that starts at the border of Beverly Hills and West Hollywood. Death Valley National Park was shut down due to flash flooding, triggered by 2.2 inches of rain on Sunday, their all-time wettest day on record, an amount equal to their average annual rainfall. Family friends of mine who live in Cathedral City near Palm Springs, where many neighborhoods were inundated by muddy floodwaters, told me that physically they got through it, but mentally will never forget it. The scene was much the same in Palm Springs itself, which is about 100 miles east-southeast of Los Angeles, where the force of water and mud was enough to snap power poles and buckle a bridge along a stretch of Interstate 10 that was closed until early Tuesday. And flooding was not confined to California. Here's Kyle Canyon in Clark County, Nevada, just a few miles northwest of Las Vegas. In fact, record-setting rain from Hilary and its remnant circulation made it well to the north and east of California. Like all tropical cyclones, the circulation weakened over land, but heavy tropical rain bands associated with the storm persisted. This map shows the greatest amount of rain caused by a tropical cyclone and its remnants for each state in the lower 48. I know some of this is too small to read, so let me interpret. Hilary just broke that record in 4 western states: Nevada, Oregon, Idaho, and even Montana. In California, Hilary left behind the wettest August day on record in downtown Los Angeles and the wettest summer day on record in San Diego, where observations began in 1850. Stay tuned. Our extended forecast is next.